Please be careful. There is a man in a green coat with the black hood walking around throwing dog poo at people. He got near me, a greasy pig. I am absolutely covered in it. Stay safe, guys. Did you take a selfie? The first thing you think when you get poop in your face. Let me pull out my phone. Let me.
I don't have a robot font.
You have to clip
that. No. Dweam, I'm trying to show you this plugin. Stop.
He tried to run.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
You go over here.
Hey, listen. Just listen. You're not killing me anymore.
What is it, 13 million subscribers? This is what you're doing in your free time? You have 13 million subscribers and this.
Yeah, look at us, we're super thick. Yeah, you wish you were thick like this. You'll never be as thick as us, cause we're the best. We're the thickest out here, we're better than the rest.
Under the tree, bum bum bum. Under the tree, bum bum bum. I am a dog under a log. Under the tree, bum bum bum. +5?
Okay. +5?
Wait, +5? +5. Ant Venom and Cat Charles. What?
I'm a squid kid
+5?
is -10.
Ant Venom has
Rusty Dave
25 kills.
10.
There's no way. Someone said 27. There's no way. There is no way. Ant Venom is +5. Ant Venom is +5. What? What? How? 25 kills? Are you kidding me?
Oh my god.
25? Ant has 0 kills. I raged all for nothing.